Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Ain. The objective of Chadwick Experiment and Nueutron is to determine the existence of neutron and its mass. There are two persons that are contributed in the development of neutron discovery, which is James Chadwick and Ernest Rutherford. James Chadwick discovered neutrons in the year 1932. He received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1935 for the discovery of the neutrons. It is also important to note that the neutron was first theorized by Ernest Rutherford in the year 1920. He was known as the father of nuclear physics. Discovery of neutrons. At left, a polonium source was used to irradiate beryllium with alpha particles which induce an uncharged radiation. When this radiation struck paraffin wax, protons were ejected. The protons were observed using a small ionization chamber.
Hi, I'm Nurul Hayati. Today I would like to discuss about discovery of neutron.
Bohr had given his atomic model, which called the Bohr's atomic model, according to which the entire mass of the atom was concentrated in the nucleus. Because the mass of electron is negligible as compared to the mass of protons, the entire mass of the atom is present in the nucleus, as the protons are present in the nucleus of atom. Scientists took two nuclei, which are hydrogen nucleus and helium nucleus. So we know that the entire mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. The hydrogen has one proton and helium has two protons. The mass of helium should be twice the mass of hydrogen, as helium has two protons and hydrogen has one proton. But when the experiment was conducted, it was observed the mass of helium was 4 times the mass of hydrogen. Scientists conclude that there should be some extra particle which is present in the nucleus of the helium atom. This extra particle is giving extra mass of the helium, and this particle should be natural. When the particle has some charge, it will make an atom unstable. This extra particle should be natural in nature.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Nursyamim Fadzlin. Next, I will explain how Chadwick's experiment works. Before that, let's take a look at this diagram, which is the James Chadwick experimental setup. So, basically this experiment consists of beryllium, polonium, paraffin wax and vacuum chamber, or also known as gas-filled chamber. Now, let's take a look at the experiment. In this experiment carried out by Chadwick, the alpha particles are projected towards the beryllium target. When the beryllium was bombarded by alpha particles from polonium, it released particles that were found to be neutral. And when the particles travel through paraffin wax, the other types of particles are released, which is protons. When these protons met to enter into a gas-filled chamber, this charged proton ionized the gas. As the result of the went through beryllium target, uncharged particles that had a similar mass to protons are released. He called them as neutrons. Thus, he was able to determine that neutrons do exist and the mass was about 0.1% more than the protons.
Formula to prove the existence of neutron. So, this is the formula that proved the Chadwick experiment. From this formula, beryllium-9 with alpha particle was joined together. Carbon-12 atom are formed and neutron are emitted. He equal to helium, B equal to beryllium, C carbon, N is neutron. Conclusion. In conclusion, from the Chadwick experiment, we know that most atoms are electrically neutral, which means that they have the same number of protons and electrons. Positive and negative charge cancel each other out, therefore the atom is said to be electrically neutral.